Hindi ka robot. Sobrang focus ka ba sa negosyo kaya nakakalimutan mo nang magpahinga? Let me share about Susan and her bigasan business. Sobrang sipag niya. Gising ng 4 a.m. and manages her store until evening. No breaks, no rest days. Ako lahat gumagawa kasi ayokong malugi, she always said. Pero dahil ganun siya kasipag, her body started showing signs. Hindi na siya makatulog ng maayos, laging pagod at parang may sakit palagi. So I told her, Susan, that's your body asking for help. Hindi ka robot. But she did not slow down until there came a time while she was arranging her items, bigla siyang nahilo at napaupo sa sahig. Nakakatakot, buti na lang may tumulong agad. She thought she was saving money, pero mas malaki pa ang nawala dahil sa hospital bills and lost income. Anak, the lesson is this. Laging tatandaan, your business can only be as healthy as you are. Kung lagi kang overworked at stressed, damay din ang negosyo mo. Now, she has someone to take over every Sunday. Simple lang yon pero malaking ginawa. Mas okay na ang tulog niya at mas ganado siya sa negosyo. So if you're hearing warning signs from your body, please listen. Self-care is not a luxury. It's a business strategy. So let's be business-minded, Pinoy.